Hello my friends, we're a Belarus company. We're interested in buying used refrigerator semi-trailers of various brands like Ther, Ultra, Lamberit, Krone, Kogel, Sor, Gray & Adams, Chiro, with 3 axles from year 2004 with 100% work and repair, and the main box could be damaged. We can get you refrigerated semi-trailers from any ports of the world. We're waiting for your responses and good prices in our facebook.com/groups/buy Reefer or our email im.glad@least.ru or our mobile number +375 29 555 7271. Thank you guys for your replies. Bye bye.